represent the governor, who was elected by a majority votes. The closest contestant garnered less than 100,000 votes next to the governor. Surely that means that the governor was voted in overwhelmingly. Honorable members, this is a second impeachment motion. The first one was stopped by the High Court in Meru, and that conservatory orders were issued preventing the county assembly from in any way debating the impeachment motion, but in defiance of the court orders, they proceeded to do that. A question has been asked as to why the governor did not appear to defend herself before the county assembly. It is for the very reason that indeed the High Court of Meru had barred the county assembly from debating the impeachment motion. Our client risked being in contempt of court had she participated in those proceedings. So that should be able to answer the question as to why the governor never appeared before the county assembly of Meru. But that is not all, honorable members. That is not all, honorable members. Impeachment proceedings, and the High Court, the Supreme Court, and the Court of Appeal has given this guidance that they are quasi-judicial in nature, that the county assembly ceases to be a legislative house and assumes the role of an arbiter to investigate and establish whether indeed facts that have been tabled before it are correct or not. We will have evidence before this house showing that indeed the entire house was not impartial. Before the proceedings, they all donned in uniform, chanted war cries, and promised to impeach the governor even before the move of the motion had been given a chance to debate the motion. Our simple argument to that extent is that the House was not impartial, and that had been demonstrated even before the impeachment was properly placed before the House. The governor is here to answer to the impeachment motion approved by the
governor is here to answer to the impeachment motion approved by the County Assembly of Meru and to demonstrate her innocence and give a side of the story. Her Excellency, the Governor of Meru, has been a victim of the danger of one story and outright false narrative. Her successes, her leadership, her amiable character, and her passion to uplift the lives of people of Meru have been hashed for political expediency. Today we have a chance to demonstrate that Her Excellency, the Governor, is a true hero of devolution, a person who should be celebrated for standing against capture of Meru County by the County Assembly. At the end of this hearing, honorable members, we demonstrate how the County Assembly of Meru failed to understand their mandate under Article 181 and Section 33 of the County Government Act and used the impeachment as a political weapon as opposed to an oversight tool. Because impeachment, honorable members, should not be a political weapon. It is only provided for as an oversight tool. That is not what happened.
We will show you that the purported public participation was a sham. Indeed, the members of public have not approved the proceedings before you. It is the County Assembly of Meru and the mover of this motion that usurped the role of the public and purported to give views on behalf of the public. That will come out clear during these proceedings. Honorable members, just to take you a little bit back, before August 2022, Her Excellency the Governor was serving the people of Meru as their women representative. During that time, she